Hey, my loves, welcome back to a new vlog. And if you're new here, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And if you already subscribed, welcome back, my loves. Today is Monday, and what am I going to be doing today? Agenda for today is I'm going to just cook and rest. I'm going to use today to rest. I have a very stuffy nose. My nose is so stuffy, and I just need to like do clean up. I've actually done clean up, just a little bit clean up and rest. I'm not doing much for today. This week is not really going to be very busy because I'm going to be using this week to rest and reset for December. Guys, I was planning on doing vlogmas for December for YouTube or December, but like vlogmas is not easy. Vlogmas means I'm going to be posting every single day for 30 days December, and I don't know whether I can keep up with that because I need to vlog edit. But I heard that the videos or the vlogs should not be too much, maybe like 8 to 9 minutes. And if it's like that, I can actually do that. But like even though I don't do vlogmas, I might do vlogmas, but like not daily. I might do 2 times in a week posting during December. So till then, when we conclude, I'm going to let you guys know. So let's go and cook.
Everybody hurts sometime, everybody hurts someday. And it'll be alright.
Hi guys, today is Tuesday and I'm about to select outfit I'm going to use to create content because I've been slacking behind in creating content, short form content for my TikTok and for my short. So I'm going to be creating content today. And there's something I want to tell you guys, but first, if you follow me on TikTok, you'll see that I've been doing a series on how to style this particular jean, 7 days of styling one jean. So I'm thinking of should I okay, I can actually do the both. Like I want to do a mesh top. Should I use this mesh top? This is like a tube top with like rope, then with denim. I think it will go well. Then I'm in the fourth day, so I have 3 more days remaining. Then the other one, I'm going to do this basic top, this blue top, and I want to actually do my bed layout videos because it's been long and people love that video on TikTok so much. People say they use it to know like the clothes they wear and stuff like that. And yesterday night, I actually organized my closet and I actually took out some things too from the closet because guys, I'm evolving. You know that this closet now, with all these clothes, is the only clothes I have in my name. Okay, I have one more box that just a small box that just have all these like serious lace, all these serious Ankara like down there. But apart from that, this is the only clothes I have to my name as a girl. Sure, like any clothes I've not worn for 6 months, I don't want to be seeing it in my closet. Like, why are you here? Like, why are you here? So I used to do that. Always taking out my clothes, taking out my clothes. Clothes are like my most worn clothes, and I'm leaving them. So what I'm going to do now. I'm going to press this short because I'm going to do this two outfits for my bed layout. So I don't know whether you guys can hear me because I dropped the mic because the house is not noisy, but I feel like you guys can hear me. So I'm going to do these boots for this denim shorts and this top for like the bed layout video. I love this top. Then for the 7 days, for the fifth day, I'm going to do this the denim and this top for 1 day, the denim and also this basic top. So that's the two things we're going to, I'm sure we're going to film. Then I might come up with something. I'm thinking of styling my silk skirts, whether I should do that as a part of the video. So to the 3 videos I did. So yeah. Do you know the most annoying part of filming is when you finish filming something and you realize that the microphone was not on? That's what I just did. I just finished filming something for the vlog and I realized that the microphone was not off. Crap that, sure. I'm going to repeat what I said in the video that the microphone was not off. So I have this colored bob wig. I have two bob wig in natural color, and I love this one so much. Like I really love it. It's a fringe wig. I don't have any fringe wig. It's my only fringe wig. So, but like I don't like this color anymore. Like this color, it's not like I don't like it. It suits my skin so well, but like it's even a little bit darker on camera. Um, I can't wear it to everywhere. Like I need to be able to wear my wig to everywhere. To me or for me, I cannot wear this wig to church. I know some people can wear it to church, they don't mind, but I cannot wear this type of colored wig to church unless I'm like going to cover it. I'll feel so somehow. So I'm thinking of taking it to the person I my wig vendor. That's where I installed my hair in my previous vlog. And if you've not watched my previous vlog, I think you should. So that she would dye it, tint it a little bit. Like the under of this wig actually has that color, the type of color I want. I don't know if you can see it. That's the type of color I want them to like tint it a little bit darker so that I can be able to wear it to places. So I wear it more often. I can count how many times I wore this wig because of the color. And yeah, I'm actually ready for the first shoot. I love this top. Like I got it since, but like I don't used to wear it because it's not lined. It's not lined, it's just mesh. So I normally wear it with an inner, and all my inners has like hand. But this particular inner, I just strapped out, like took out the hand, and I realized that that's what I should have been doing all this while. So this is the first stop. So let's film. What do you guys think about this? I think it's from Shein, but I got it from my vendor. So it's not direct. I didn't get it directly from Shein, but like I think the clothes is from Shein. If you get, so yeah, let's film. This is why I want a long bone straight. I really want a long bone straight. My sister had a bone straight she wanted to give me, but like she was like, oh, let her take it. So like, I need to buy a long bone straight, even though it's like 22 inches. Long bone straight would have gone so well with this outfit. But I'm thinking of wearing my bob wig. I don't have strength to like start doing my coily wig stuff. So then we're going to wear a bob wig with this outfit. Let me bring my bob wig. So let's try. To bob wig, I have a 5 by 5. I don't know, you guys should know what a 5 by 5 is. 5 by 5 and a 2 by 4. So I'm thinking of going with the 2 by 4 for this particular video. So let's try on the 2 by 4. There's one thing I noticed about a bob wig. You can never go wrong with a bob wig. Like even if you don't have money to like buy hairs, I'm just saying, like if I'm to like start over again, not even start over again because this bob wig was literally the first ever wig my sister bought for me. This wig was the first wig. Like buy a bob wig. Bob wig can go with literally anything and buy it from a good vendor. Like you can see the way it is cut. I see the way it is cut. Like so cleanly cut. Like they cut it very clean. So let's begin our video. So I'm going to be filming this angle. I'm going to put my phone this way and film this way. So let's start. What do they call it? Shot one. Yeah, shot one.
Guys, I'm done filming for the day. So let's eat breakfast. Yeah. Don't mind my rack that is here. I brought it here so that I don't want like the rack to be in my background for this particular video I'm doing. And yeah, and I think I like it that way for now. So yeah, we are done for today.
Okay, thank God it's Friday, and I'm a little bit stuffy, still stuffy, but I'm getting better. So, agenda for today. Today's agenda: I'm going to go to the dry cleaner. I'm going to go and braid my hair, and I want to go to buy something. I'm going to go to a shop, maybe a store, and get an outfit. Yeah. So that's the agenda for today. Um, and today I'm going to end the vlog today, but like we have a little bit activities to do, which you are going to come with me. And yeah, so fit of the day. Let's go. Let's go. I'm going to the laundry first to give out. I'm going to the laundry first to give them my outfits for washing. Yeah. So guys, I just got back from the salon. I braided my hair. I made cornrows.